Oh, it's 2021 already. Still COVID-19, oh.
Hi, I'm a minister of lockdown department. I'm declaring a worldwide national lockdown. Now, who's running to shop trying to get toilet rolls again?
Don't look at me. Why you look at me? I've already bought all of them.
You know, Asian countries are doing better than the West.
Yes, I think so.
Do you know why?
I recommend you guys to take off shoes inside the house. Please admit it's dirty.
In a civilized country, we don't take off our shoes. We're not monkeys.
We never take off our shoes, just like we never give up our guns. USA! USA! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Get out on the ground! Get out on the ground!
Folks, once again, stay at home.
USA! USA! Show me your hands!